Why Women Chase What They Can't Have, a premium love map guide. Welcome to the heart of attraction dynamics. In the realm of relationships, the most enduring connections are built not on constant availability, but on the strategic balance between presence and distance. When a woman feels that her partner is not fully guaranteed or predictable, she naturally shifts from a passive role to an active pursuer. This phenomenon, known as women chasing what they can't have, transforms ordinary interactions into profound emotional bonds through subconscious mind programming and dark psychology. The psychology of scarcity and value. The core principle: relationships often lose attraction when emotional dynamics become too predictable or one-sided. When a woman feels too secure that the other person will always chase them, her motivation to invest diminishes. Conversely, when she perceives a level of scarcity in your attention, she instinctively increases her effort to maintain the connection. Key psychological drivers: emotional balance. Instead of chasing attention, you allow emotional investment to grow naturally and reciprocally. Mutual respect. Both parties acknowledge each other's worth through consistent yet evolving interactions. Ongoing attraction. The cycle maintains a healthy rhythm between connection, distance, curiosity, and reconnection. The cycle of engagement: attention plus emotion plus distance plus curiosity plus reconnection. When used properly, this rhythm helps maintain emotional balance, ensuring that neither party feels taken for granted while fostering a deep sense of longing. Step-by-step process: implementing the chasing strategy. Phase 1. Assessing current availability action. Evaluate your current level of responsiveness and consistency. Goal: identify areas where you might be overly available, potentially reducing perceived value. Outcome: establish a baseline for emotional energy distribution. Phase 2. Reducing strategic availability strategy. Reduce your availability slightly to create space for longing. Reply: slower than usual, do not respond instantly to every message. Allow time for anticipation. Initiate less frequently. Focus on quality over quantity in initiating conversations. Focus on personal life, prioritize your own activities and growth, signaling independence. Note: you should not disappear completely, simply rebalance emotional energy gently. Phase 3. Cultivating emotional withdrawal trigger. Implement the hard red light stage where she actively pulls away from the relationship. Signs to watch: asking for space and showing emotional coldness. Cancelling plans frequently or expressing confusion about the future, demonstrating reduced affection despite continued interest. Phase 4. Facilitating reconnection response. When she shows signs of withdrawal, respond warmly without punishing her emotionally. Express vulnerability. Share thoughts like, "I've been thinking about us," or "I miss talking to you." Avoid immediate intensity. Do not immediately return to full intensity. Allow the relationship to rebuild gradually. The biggest mistake: over-availability syndrome. Common pitfall. The most significant error in this dynamic is the tendency towards over-availability. Many individuals respond too quickly and consistently, creating an environment where they are always present but never truly missed. This predictability can inadvertently lead to a decrease in her initiative, causing the relationship to stagnate rather than flourish. Solution: to counter this, implement subconscious mind programming techniques that signal value through scarcity. By strategically varying your presence, you create an emotional gap that invites her to step forward and fill the void with her own efforts. This shift ensures she perceives you as a dynamic prize rather than a static fixture in her life. Love map. Integration, the hard red light framework specific phase application. This topic aligns perfectly with the hard red light phase of the love map, which focuses on clear emotional withdrawal and genuine space-giving strategies. How to use this phase for your goal. 1. Signal withdrawal. When you notice signs of her pulling away, consciously step back rather than rushing to fill every silence. 2. Encourage real effort. Prompt moments of vulnerability by asking questions such as, "Can we talk about what happened?" or "I'm sorry about what I said." 3. Monitor emotional openness. Ensure that her efforts are met with warmth and respect, reinforcing the cycle of connection without overwhelming her. Result: this approach ensures she begins noticing that your attention is not guaranteed. naturally causing her to increase effort again and deepening the bond through shared investment. Personal advice, the golden rule and formula key truth. True attraction thrives on the principle of scarcity, where emotional value increases as availability becomes less predictable. When a woman feels she cannot fully possess your attention, her pursuit becomes more passionate and sustained. Simple rule to remember: consistency with space. Maintain steady communication while intentionally creating moments of distance to spark curiosity. Formula for success: attraction equals emotional value multiplied by scarcity divided by predictability. High emotional value demonstrated through vulnerability and genuine interest. Optimal scarcity achieved by reducing availability slightly to foster longing. Balanced predictability, avoiding excessive routine that may lead to complacency. Final thank you and next steps. Thank you for engaging with the premium version of LoveMap. Your commitment to understanding these dynamics reflects a deep appreciation for meaningful connection. Make sure to like and subscribe our LoveMap YouTube channel so you will know what the latest update on this powerful AI model is designed to help you navigate your relationships with confidence and grace. Follow-up question for your journey. Would you like me to generate a detailed guide on subconscious messaging techniques that can be used to reinforce these emotional bonds through subtle communication patterns, ensuring long-term relationship stability? Please reply with YES if you would like this advanced topic explored in your next response.